Hey guys, so today I will demonstrate my new add-on for Blender called MeshWalker. This is an add-on that moves a target mesh to how a source mesh is. So it can either move it in object space or world space, and it does that based on topology, right? And it does not need the full topology. So either the target mesh or the source mesh can be like a subset of the other mesh. So for example, in this is a metahuman head, and this is a metahuman body, right? And how this works is that both of them have the same topology, but one is incomplete, right? And say you want to transfer the shape of this head to the complete body, right? Maybe you've sculpted this out, taken to ZBrush and sculpted it, and now you want this in the full body. So this add-on will help you do that. Let me demonstrate how. So first we'll go to the source, right? That's the mesh that's copied from, as you can see here, MeshWalker. So we'll go into face mode and we'll select a face that's easy to identify. So we'll select this one and we'll click on the face. Then we'll go into vertex and we'll select two vertices from the same face. So vertex 1 and vertex 2. All right, then we'll come to this one. And you see this face is very identifiable. So we'll select this one again. Face, vertex 1 and vertex 2. And since we don't want this face to go there, since the body will remain here, since that it's not a part of this mesh, what we will do here is we will select object space, and then we will do move vertices. And we'll calculate, and there you go. So it has taken the shape of this mesh, but they were not complete. This one was not a complete mesh. So as long as the topology is a part of one of the meshes, it will work. Another example is, for example, this one, maybe you're making Einstein head or something, and you take a part out of the head to groom on. Maybe you're making eyebrows, but it has moved and it has become weird like this, and you want it to again be aligned with the head. So what you will do is you will, for this one, you will move it in world space, right? So we'll select world space here. And this is the mesh that we want to move, right? So this is the target. So what we'll do is we'll select the face. Let's select this one. And then we'll select vertex. So this one. And this one. And we'll just hide it for now. Now let's select the same face here. So I think maybe it was, it's a bit hard to tell on this one, right? Maybe this was the face, right? So, okay. Okay, so this was the face. So we will select that, and on the vertex, we will select this one and this one, and then we'll unhide that. And we are in wall space. We'll move the vertices, and it has aligned beautifully. As you can see, it's now aligned. So yeah, that's the add-on, and the link to download it will be in the description. And you can install it by going to edit, preferences, then add-on, and here you can install from disk. On GitHub, it will be a .py file, so you can download it and install from disk. And it will be called Mesh MeshWalker, like this. And yeah, so that's how it looks like. Thank you for watching, and the link will be in the description.